Okay, now student, we'll discuss about the second sheet. Okay, in the second sheet, same as this sheet, thus we convert this sheet into this form. Okay, in the first sheet we have just taken the column wise. Okay, we have seen column wise 10 parts, and this column wise 10 parts we divided into 10 equal row parts. Okay, we strike here 10 equal row parts, and after that what we get, after that we get there are 100 boxes here. Okay, there are 100 boxes because from column wise you see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, similarly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here in the in the row wise there are 10, and the column wise there are 10. So if 10 and 10, this 10 and 10 we multiplied, then we get 100. That means there are 100 boxes are here. Okay, how we find there are 100 boxes? Because there are 10 uh, because there are 10 columns and there are 10 rows, because there are 10 columns and 10 rows. Okay, and if you multiply the number of columns and number of rows, then we get the number of boxes. So there are 100 boxes. Okay, there are 100 boxes. Same this part, blue is blue, yellow is yellow, green is green, this part is black and this part is black, this part is white, this part is white, the half is red, half is white, half is red, half is white, then green, then red, then white, then red, then white, then green, then yellow, then green, then yellow. Same thing, the color is same, just we have make here the same 100 equal boxes. Okay, in the second sheet. But what you have to find here, we have to find here some answer of these questions. Okay, so how many boxes are there in all? So we have already find that there are 100 boxes because there are 10 columns and 10 rows. So number of columns into number of rows, number of columns into number of rows, that is equals to 100. So there will be 100 boxes. Next question is, so we write here 100 here. Okay, so we write 100 here. Next is, how many blue boxes are there? How many blue boxes are there? Definitely there are 10 blue boxes. How many blue boxes? 10 blue boxes, because each column there are 10 boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, because there is only one column that consists blue colors. Okay, and one column there are 10 boxes. There is only one column, there is only one column, there is only one column of blue colors. So in one column there are 10 boxes. So how many boxes of blue colored? The question is, how many blue boxes are there? So definitely there are 10 boxes, that is blue colored. How many boxes are red? How many boxes are red? How many boxes are red? Red we have to find here. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5, half. In this column there are half part is red, and in this column there are full total, this column is total is red. So there are 10 colored. In this column there are 10 red boxes, and in this column there are 5 red. That means how many red boxes we have got? There are 15 red boxes we have got. Okay, and the next question is, what part of the sheet is red? What part of the sheet is total part is how much? 100 boxes, and red is 15. So what part? 15 by 100, because total will come always in the denominator. In our previous video we have discussed that total will always come in the denominator, and what we are going to find, that will come in the numerator. So red we are going to find red, and how many red part? There are 15 red parts, and total parts how many? 100. So red part will be 15 by 100. Can we write it? Can we write it as 0.15 of the sheet? Definitely yes, because 15 by 100, 15 by 100 means what? Actually point is here, actually point is where? Actually point is here. So if this 15 divided by, is a simple way to just we shift the point, just we shift the point. When we divide by 100, when we divide by 100, that time point will shift two digit left side. That means 2 digit means 1 digit, 2 digit. left side. It will come 2 digit left side. So it will come 0.15, or we can write 0.15. Okay, so 15 by 100 we can say 0.15. Can you also write it as 0.15? Yes, we can write 0.15. Why? Because we have learned, we know that 15 by 100 means 0.15. When we divide anything by 100, then point will shift 2 digit left side. 2 digit first. The at first point is here. At first point is here. When we divide by 100, then point will shift two side. Then point will shift 2 digit left side. 1 digit, 2 digit. Okay, that means point will come here. Just we take an extra 0. So we can write 0.15, or we can write 0.15. So we write 0.15. Yes. Can we also write it as 0.15? Yes, we can write 0.15. Okay. Next, now 3 by 100 of the sheet is black. 3. Yes, 3 parts are there. Only 3 boxes are there. So it is 3 by 100. How many parts of black colors here? How many boxes are? What is the part of the black color in the second sheet? What is the part of black color in the second sheet? Definitely 3 by 100. So if we convert in decimal, 3 by 100. If we convert in decimal, so you can divide it also, or we can just shift the point. So 3, when we divide 3 by 100, so first we take point, then comes 0. We cannot divide 30 divided by 100, so again we have to take a 0, and we have to take a 0. Okay, we have to take a 0 here. First take a point, then we take a 0. It is not divided by 100. Then again we take a 0, and then we take a 0. Now it is divided by 100. How many times? 3 times. So it is 0.3. So it is 0.3. Or in other ways, what we can do, you just shift point 3 digit left side. So 3 digit means at first point is here. Now 2 digit left side, because we are dividing by 100. So we just shift the point 2 digit left side. At first point is here. Now 2 digit means 1 digit extra, we have to take a 0, then it comes here. Okay, 0.3. So how many digits we shift here? 2 digit. 3. Okay, when at first, where the point is here, at first point is here. Now when we divided by 100, then point will shift 2 place or 2 digit left side. 1 digit, 2 digit, then point will come here. Okay, so we can write 0.03. Okay, remaining 2 questions, 5 and 6, you will do it and send me answer to my personal number. Okay, thank you.